Hey guys, welcome back to Emmy and Sprinkle. Today I'm just going to be doing a speed building den about the bioluminescence bay. It's a super cute den. I'm really excited that it came. Okay, let's go ahead and buy it right now. Look, it looks so adorable and it's only for $2.50 for all this adorable stuff. And if you didn't want that, you can do the cheaper version, $1.50, and it has no items included. Oh, the music? Cool. Okay guys, we just finished that and I'm kind of lagging because of all the new stuff I just got. Okay, let's go to my den. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the new den. Okay, now first thing first, we have to put on our bioluminescence hat. So, here we go. Bioluminescent hat, and we put on a chambray bow tie. Perfect. Okay. Now the other thing we're gonna do is put on the music, and then I'm gonna fast forward. But let's listen to it for now. It's so cute. I like it. And look at this feature. You can literally, like you're swimming, and you think Animal Gym wouldn't do that, but it's super cool. If you have an underwater creature in Animal Jam, they can finally have their den of their dreams. This can also be used for like role plays and other uses, but I really like just the homey of it. Now I'm going to fast forward. See you guys then. Okay guys, I finally finished editing the den, but when I was editing it, I figured out lots of different features that you might have noticed in this den. So right over here, we have the heart bubbles, and you can fly up them. Over here, there's a phantom that flies past you. There's a slide over here that goes all the way down to back where you were. And if we would like to go back up, there's another slide right over here if you want to go this way. I would put the shops over here, but you can put them wherever you like. But over there seems the nicest. Well, that's all for today's video, but before we go, let me introduce you to the house. Right over here is the back entrance, the dining room, the living room, the reading nook slash living room. And then we have kind of the bathroom over here. But I really like this den, but I wish it would be bigger. And if you notice there's nothing on the walls, you cannot place any item on the wall. It's actually kind of annoying, but otherwise I don't like anything on your walls. It's really cute. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!